Okay, for this next video, I'm gonna teach you how to request for a policy paper or hard copy request for your client. So assuming that you already submitted the insurance application, so tapos ka na nito, and eventually natapos mo na rin ito, no? So itong submitted na, so it means na you had already tapos pay the initial premium, so na-issued na yung policy. So what remains na lang is yung what you call this one, the policy paper, the hard copy na i-deliver mismo sa address ng client mo. So you have to take note that in this number here, di ba may 010141 that yan, yung 01, itong application number, ito yung babayaran for the initial premium or the first payment. So tanggalin mo lang yung 01 or yung first 2 digits. Yung 41, yung 6 digits na sa kasunod, starting with 41, yan yung policy number. So you have to take note of that kasi yung policy number ni client is the policy number hanggang sa matapos siyang magbayad or in the event nga mag-claim. So very important that as financial advisors, we need to really take note of the policy numbers of our clients. So now we're gonna make a request. So what we're going to do right now is go to your email. Okay, so in this case, I'm gonna example one of my planner's email. So from in your email, you have to put the PN or the policy number, then policy paper delivery request. So ito yung ginawa ng isang planner under my team. So yung email na you're gonna send this is in nbpolicypack.ph@fw.com. Then naka-CC ako as the direct leader as well as our unit manager, Ma'am Bing. So simple lang. So ito lang yung niya. So please see attached file for the request of my client. So naka-attach dito yung letter. So yung ginawa ng ng planner ko is that may na siya, may parang printed na lang siya na letter, then pinapapirma na lang sa niya, sa client niya. So but however, pwede din namang yung client niyo lang talaga yung maggawa ng letter. So just like this one, hinap mo na ako ng iba. This one. So, one of my planners din. So, ito yung ginawa niya. Pero, yung client niya na lang yung nagsulat mismo ng letter. So, it's okay lang din yan. Okay? So, attach yung firma ID ng client nyo. So, as long as you're gonna send it to NB Policy Pack, yan, that one, and naka-CC yung direct leaders nyo for easy easy na access and transaction. So, I think that's it. But just make sure na pag mag-request is complete na yung mga underwriting requirements or issued na talaga yung policy. So, meaning wala nang mga additional requirements, wala nang nabayaran na yung mga premiums, no? So, dapat ganun. So, after that one, so, na yun, di-deliver na yan directly to the address stated in the letter request. So, I think that's all for now. So, I think yan muna ngayon for the policy request.